This is the Phalanx digital mind game for kids and adults with 3 modes and over 300 built-in challenges. I was sent this to review, but my family is loving it. So let me show you a closer look and how to play it. You do need a little mini screwdriver to open up the compartment. You're gonna need 3 AA batteries, not included. Within a few seconds, you're ready to go. It's nice and colorful. The user's manual goes over the different modes. You have matrix mode, tutorial mode, and memory mode. The display area shows which level you're on. The orange sections here and here are the question area, and then here and over here are the answer areas. This is your hint button, your mode button, volume button, power button, level switch buttons, and your start button. In matrix mode, I feel like it's kind of like Sudoku, but with colors. This column is gonna have 2 yellows. This column is gonna have 2 yellows. This row is gonna have 4 blues. This row is gonna have 4 greens, 2 pinks, 2 pinks, if that makes sense. So this column needs 2 yellows, but this one needs all green. So that's easy. And then this is gonna be 4 blues, that's easy. And then here we need another yellow. Here we need another yellow. And here we need another pink.
Great! Congratulations on breaking the timer record
So
in
fun.
the process of information collection.
If we switch
Teaching
to
mode, please click the start button to answer the questions.
tutorial mode,
Introduction of the layout in the square formation mode in the answering
it
area.
kind of
Here are
teaches you how to
the first
play.
row, the second
And
row,
then
memory mode.
memory
Please click
mode.
the start button to pass the level. Level 1. 2 sub-questions in total. Please within 5 seconds. Click the position of the newly laid color block.
What? So it places a new block, and you have to remember which one is new within 5 seconds. Oh, this is getting hard. Oh my gosh. This is memory mode. Oh, I beat the level! There is definitely a learning curve in figuring out how to play this thing, but it is really, really fun for kids and adults. You can turn the sound completely off.
Information mode. Please click the button to answer the question.
So it is like travel friendly in a car or on a plane or whatever. In that way you can turn the music off, the sound off. So that's really great. Good job.